Yes, put your money in there, and down below you get your ticket. So I'm going to put my money in here now. First, again, I have to press one travel, costs 9.50 pesos. Put your money in here. Oops. And down below, where this light is, you get your ticket. Take this ticket over here. And you put it in that little red slot.
Mi tren, cuídalo.
It says, you take your ticket, or you can leave it there, and then you get to walk through. Let's see. I'm going, can't go this way, because this is for people coming up. So, I have to go this way. And of course, this escalator is not working. It's not like you can stand here and it starts working. It just doesn't work. It's always running. So let's walk down the steps. This elevator is working. Here comes the train. It looks like we're going to miss it. They come like every 5 minutes or so. Let's see if we can get it or not. I don't know. I don't think so. Yep, gone. Doors are closed. I could have got it if I wasn't doing this. Well, that's it. Oh, there it is. It tells. I guess the next one comes in 5 minutes. So nobody here around rush hour. This is packed with people. Well, maybe not this station, but the train is packed with people from coming and going. Well, that's it. Good luck in the metro of Guadalajara.